Wrap and roll, Middle Eastern, not Middle Eastern, steak wrap, steak sandwich, steak roll. I'm Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious recipe that's super easy and it's also partially cooked on the grill. Today we're making a steak and salad roll. This has a Middle Eastern twist and it's simply delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see it. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 1 cup of yogurt. Next, I'm going to add a half cup of tahini and I'm going to mix this well together. Tahini is a sesame paste and it's used a lot in Middle Eastern cooking. I'm also going to add a generous pinch of salt, a pinch of Aleppo peppers. Now, Aleppo peppers is a coarse red chili powder and it's used in Middle Eastern cooking. I'm also going to add a pinch of dried mint, some sumac, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I'm going to mix this well together. You can store this in the fridge until you need it. You can also prepare this a few days in advance. I have about 2 cups of romaine lettuce here. I love using romaine for 2 reasons. 1, it's really inexpensive, and 2, it contains a lot of water and it makes your sandwich or salad really juicy. At this time of year, my garden is bursting with fresh ingredients. I'm also going to mix in some mint leaves followed by some fresh parsley. I'm going to add a cup of cubed cucumbers, half a cup of cherry tomatoes. I've just cut this in half. And my favorite, I'm going to add in a half a cup of pickled radish. This is a typical Middle Eastern pickled radish. Its pink color comes from the addition of beetroot. I'm going to follow this with a 1/4 cup of sliced olive, and I'm just going to add in a few tablespoons of this creamy tahini sauce. And I'm going to finish with a touch of sumac. I have 4 steaks here. These are about 500 grams each. And I'm going to flavor them simply with a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, Aleppo peppers, sumac, and dried mint. I'm going to flip this over and repeat. It's time to prep and heat up my grill. I'm going to lay my steaks down straight onto the hot grill. Now, these steaks are cut very thinly, so about 3 to 4 minutes per side is plenty. Once cooked, remove and allow these steaks to rest. And once rested, I'm just going to slice these horizontally. I have some Arabic pita here. It's much thinner than Greek pita bread. Cut these in half and then smear them with the tahini sauce. I'm going to add some sumac, some salad, the steak. I'm going to roll it, secure it in some parchment paper, and it's ready to enjoy. You can also make this full size if you like. This makes a great steak salad as well. Just lay down the salad. Top with the steak, Sprinkle with some sumac and tear up some pita bread and serve. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for all of the fun behind the scenes footage. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. It's so easy to put together and it's great to eat on the go. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you are the first to see them. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And make sure to share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And leave me a comment if you like this video and let me know what you think. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye. Hi, everyone. Who am I?